Everyone, and good evening. So this is a market update video for January 13th, 2025. So it's a Monday, and we saw pretty uh, brutal week last week. But today was a consolidation day. Um, lot of indexes were uh, oversold on 4 hourly basis, and that was bought back. That oversold uh, position, I think, is corrected now, and I think market would continue to go down. So this is the chart of weekly chart of ES. So I see ES going into this area somewhere around 5620 to 5700. um, so the trend actually on a weekly basis, monthly basis, so not monthly basis, sorry, weekly and daily basis, is still negative for all the major indexes. So unless I see bullish candle formation on a daily basis or a 4 hourly basis, I would still say the market is bearish. So this is my analysis for ES. It will continue down. It might go and hit this. There is this channel that trend channel. It might go and hit this 50% line and then bounce back. It might happen tomorrow or day after, but the trend is still down. Um, so let's go to NQ. NQ again. um it hit this 50% line on this trend channel, and then it bounced back. At some point this week, I'm thinking, or next week, it will break down and break down hard. So I cleaned up my uh, charts here. I had a lot of stuff. So see how around how around December 20th, I kind of predicted this particular path, and it's pretty much following it. Like, it goes down and then goes up, and it'll probably go lower. So for QQQ, I see it still going to around 480 area. So that is my analysis of all the major indexes, even SPY. It's still the same. I don't see any bullish signals here, or a trend reversal signals here. So I think trend is still down, um, and it will continue to go down on all the major indexes. I mean, this kind of is a dead cat bounce. It's expected. SPY kind of looks most bearish at this point. NQ has still downside, but SPY looks like it has quite a ways to fall. SPY probably will end up testing this particular trend line, um, and then looking below it and then maybe bouncing. I still have my shorts on. I'm short on QQQ. I still am holding it. So another thing today I wanted to go over was Apple. So there was a lot of bearish news on Apple. I don't see. I see a bounce coming in Apple actually. So this was basically, this particular line I drew was in the beginning of the year. This was one of my first videos. So I saw it going down here, and it went down, and I see a bounce coming, and I think I'm pretty bullish on Apple. So it will turn around at some point. I think next week or week after, but it's gonna go up. Same thing with Microsoft. I am So there was some, again, negative news on Microsoft, uh, but that they stopped their build of the new data center. So it went down, but it recovered. I think it's gonna go higher. And this is one of my. I think Microsoft is gonna be the bullish story of the year this year. So I see it hitting all the way close to $600. So yeah, I wanted to go over that. Also, I see some kind of bearishness coming into coin. I think it'll go and test this trend line. So looks like it's a sell on rally at this point. So I don't know. I don't have a position in this, but I think around 253, 254, there is a good downside, and it'll be pretty quick too. So I'll go to like 230. This is a pretty volatile stock. It basically goes up or down with Bitcoin. So I see it going down to 230 before doing going for another uptrend. But we'll see here. I'm not particularly sure about this yet, but it's definitely looking like it's gonna break down a little bit more. Another stock. So I actually, on my Friday's video, I said I'll um, basically come up with a stock um, that I see going up, or like a trade that I see for this week. So this trade, I see it playing out over. Um, I see it playing over like 4 to 6 weeks, and the stock is this AGI. I think it has a good 10% rally in it. So the way I see it is this is a bull flag, and it's trying to break out. And today it was down. I took a position um, uh, uh, to the long side, and I think this will break up to the upside, and see how this here. This is the high was 2142, and here it was 2145. So I would at least play this until 2130. So this has around 10% upside, guys, and this is in the short term, like 3-4 weeks. Who knows? I mean, with this kind of volatility, it might happen in 2 weeks, but I'll keep at least like 4 weeks on this, 4 to 5 weeks. So if you are playing with options, I just wanted to give you that time frame. But this would be my stock of the week. Also, this matches with how I see dollar reversing at some point. So today again, dollar went up, and then it kind of reversed. But I think it's pretty close to topping. There might be this week, you might see it going all the way to, again, like I said, 111, but I think somewhere there it will have a major reversal. And metals and gold miners and all those will go up. So I took a position in AGI today and looks like they came up with some news, and post market it's already starting to go up. I think it's still a good buy. um, you might not see like exactly 10%, depends on where you buy it, but that would be my trade of the week. That's all, guys. I think there is a lot of news coming our way, tomorrow, day after. So we'll see volatility coming back. Also, I have a stock that I see, with a very huge potential coming in. I'm still researching that stock. It could be, there is a lot of unusual activity, and it could be a potential takeover candidate. So I see a huge bounce coming in that stock. So I'll keep you guys updated. I need to run some more analysis on it, but I'll keep you guys updated on it. Also, I'm long China, and China stocks looks like they're taking off, but be very careful with China. The I do see some kind of upside um, coming early this year, but then I see I see China stocks breaking pretty hard sometime this year after they rally this after this particular rally. So I'll keep you guys updated on all of that. I'm keeping an eye on multiple things. Also, another thing that I wanted to share was USO. This was my algorithm. It kind of, um, triggered a short, but this might be early next month. So I'm also keeping a close eye on this. There might be a good shot here. Um, Today it rallied, oil kind of rallied, and uh, but there is a good short setting up here. So I'll also keep an eye on this. I'm not taking any position uh, on this right now. So that is my update for today, guys, and I'll see you in market update video tomorrow. Bye now.